Let's create your brand's voice fingerprint in less than a minute. Welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to customize your brand and all the assets that you create for your brand, your ebooks, your worksheets, your offer pages, your emails, your ads. Okay, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to customize your brand because let's be honest, nobody wants their product sounding like it's written by an AI robot that just binged LinkedIn posts. It needs you. So what do you need to do? Start by heading over to your brand profile. It's up there in the upper right. Click over to the Brand Personalization tab. This is where you're going to teach AI who you are. It's kind of like giving your brand a personality quiz, except without the quiz part, and it doesn't tell you you're permanently a Ravenclaw for the 5th time. Just me? Okay, basically, guys, tell us who you are, the type of client that you serve, the promise that you deliver. For example, I just typed I'm an author and I help small businesses 10x their revenues. It's short, it's sweet, it's to the point. The shorter the better, guys. A little pro tip there. And then hit save. What this does, that brand statement helps our platform help you. Your brand statement trains the AI engine to craft content that matches your business and your customer. In plain English, it stops writing like a boring textbook and starts writing like you and to your customers. Now we need to create your brand voice fingerprint. This is fun. You get to play around with these sliders here until you find the perfect blend that feels like you. Heads up. Now we've optimized this platform for speed and for consistency. So the presets here are optimized for your best experience. But if you don't mind waiting longer and you don't mind a few more glitches, it's kind of like the difference between like freezer dinner, the optimized experience, and gourmet dinner. Sometimes you might burn it. Sometimes it gets stuck. Sometimes it doesn't cook all the way. Okay, you get the point. But if you want to customize it, click right here and you can add your own words. A little pro tip, if there's someone that you love the writing style of, or if you've trained ChatGPT to already talk like you could say right here, speak like, and just use the word like, and then the name of the person that you are emulating with your style. Okay, now what we do is we don't let you completely copy a style. You still have to add 3 more words in order to make it fully you and not you just copying exactly what somebody else says. Okay, so play around here with the sliders, play around in the pro section, and when you're happy, generate your voice and see how it sounds. If you like it, if you like your brand fingerprint, you save it. From now on, anytime you create a workbook, a sales page, emails, the copy is going to sound more like you, which means less editing. Also, the more you create, the more our platform sounds more like you. This allows you to start selling faster and helps your people know, love, and trust you because they're getting you in the products that you're making. And wait, okay, guys, there's actually more. Okay, because we love options around here, add your top bar links. If you want to have offer pages and you want your offer pages to sound more like websites and less like a funnel, you're going to want to add some links here. This will help your offer page act more like a website. Add extra brand info so people know that you're legit. Then you can even head over to the left sidebar and add your custom domain. Every business level plan comes with a custom domain included. You get one. If you want more than one, then we need to upgrade your plan. If you don't see custom domains here, that's because you haven't upgraded yet. So contact our live chat support over there on the right. Oh, guys, and this live chat support, it is available to you pretty much 9 to 4, Monday through Friday, every single day. So we're here for you. You usually talk to me, my business partner, or one of the other team members on our team. We love helping you get results. And that's it, guys. Your brand is now personalized. Your voice fingerprint is ready to create your products and your offers. Your products are now going to sound more like you than ever before because your audience doesn't want a generic product. They want you, and they want you to assist them. So you've done it. Now go on. Go make your brand shine and go make a difference in this world.